Okay, so today we're going to work on construction number 24, which is constructing an isosceles triangle given the base. All right. So for this, we can use the standard geometry um, app. We don't need the calculator app because we're not going to do precise measurements here. So we'll just use geometry. And we'll do a clean sheet of paper. And then we'll add more tools and more tools. Okay, so our segment, we're going to go from A to B, and we can really make this segment as long as we want, long or short as we want. And then when you read this, it says, open the compass so that it measures the desired length of the legs of the triangle. Note, this measure must be greater than half of AB or a triangle cannot be formed. So, I'm going to do this. I will say, let's find the midpoint. And then we want another point that's on this segment that's greater than like, for instance, halfway is AC. And so greater than AC would be a measure out here. Okay. And we'll hide those points later, but that's where we're going to use to make our isosceles triangle. Okay. So we'll use the compass. And here it is. And we'll measure from A to D and put that circle on A. And then we'll go from A to D and we'll put that circle on B. Now, where those circles intersect, that is our intersection point. Okay, now I just want to make sure that my picture matches the words I'm going to use later. And we're calling this, we're calling that point C. So the midpoint, I'm going to change that to M for midpoint. So that I can mark my intersection and call that one C. Okay, and then I can draw segments from A to C, and then from B to C. And we can even, to make the triangle stand out more, we can shade it with our polygon tool, and that'll make things nice. For our final statement, it says now triangle ABC is isosceles with AC congruent with BC, and angle A is congruent with angle B. So I have to make those measurements, and hopefully they stand out even with our colored triangle. make that 20. And then let's make our measurements. We'll first measure the angles, or actually the segments. And then from B to C. Now let's move those so that they're a little bit more clear for us. And then let's measure our angles. So C, A, M, and C, E. And I will move those angles. All right, so my angles are shown that angle A and angle B are congruent, and segment AC and segment BC, they are congruent. Okay, so at this point, I can sign my work. And we can save it. Construction number 24. And this is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Let's copy that share link. Paste it in here. This is going to be called Construction 24. And our plan is to construct an isosceles triangle given the base. And our given is segment AB, the base. So we're given segment AB, the base. And we need a screenshot. final statement would be, now triangle ABC is isosceles with segment AC congruent with segment BC and segment A, or I'm sorry, angle A congruent with angle B. So now triangle ABC is isosceles with segment AC congruent with segment BC and angle A is congruent with angle B. So I'm going to hit my thing here. Now, I think I can use my different math types. Okay, so there's the angle thing. And then I also have congruent. This one is congruent. Okay, so segment AC is congruent sorry. Is congruent. There we go. All right, so segment AC is congruent with segment BC. Okay, so what if I just say AC is congruent with BC? And then I say these guys need to have a thing, and these guys need to have a thing. Oh, there we go. Oh. And angle A is congruent with angle B. So angle A is congruent with angle B. All right. So hopefully that makes things a little bit easier to read. Can I make this a bigger type? Okay. So now this guy is ready to turn in. I have it all scientific notationed. Um, it's ready to go, and we will see you on the next one. All right. Have a great day. Bye bye.